Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're having a quick look at the continuous tenses. Past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Of course, we make the continuous tenses with the verb to be plus ing. If it's a continuous tense, it has a beginning, it has an end, and it's temporary. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. Okay, let's compare all three continuous tenses. First of all, our timeline. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Now, we are here. Helen is in her office. She is working. Present continuous. She started working before 10 o'clock. She will finish after 10 o'clock. She is in the middle of working. Helen is in her office. She is working. Helen is in her office. She is working. She is, she's working. She is working. She's working. Helen is in her office. She's working. Present continuous. Yesterday at 10 o'clock. This is yesterday at 10. Helen was in her office. She was working. She started before 10. She finishes after 10. At 10 o'clock. Yesterday, she was working. So yesterday, Helen was in her office. She was working. The verb to be plus ing. She was, the past of is. She was working from here to here. The exact same idea is for the future. This is tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Remember, we are here now. We're looking at tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Helen will be in her office and she will be working. She arrives at 9, she goes home at 5. At 10 o'clock, she will be working. So, tomorrow, Helen will be in her office. She will be working. Will be working. Present continuous is working. Past continuous was working. Future continuous will be working. So present continuous, she is working, is plus ing. Past continuous, was plus ing. Future continuous, will be and ing. So there we are, the continuous tenses in English. Aren't they easy peasy? Yes, they are. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends and we'll see you and them next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.